The HD Sports Library is a high-definition set of 2,136 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Idea's General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast WAV files are fully embedded with metadata, and each HD Sports hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From soccer crowds to curling rocks, skateboards to sled dogs, and stadium crowds to 5-pin bowling. These outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed, so here we go. The HD Sports Library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Idea's MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast WAV and MP3 audio files. The HD Sports Library, available only from Sound Ideas.